Welcome to Philippine TVET Skills for Success.
Today, we're jumping into a qualification from TESDA that puts you right at the heart of modern technology. You know how a smart home just works? How your lights, your speakers, and your security cameras all talk to each other seamlessly? Well, if that stuff fascinates you, this is definitely for you. So here's the official title. It's a bit of a mouthful. Internet of Things, or IoT, Systems Integration Services Level 3. So what on earth is IoT? Well, simply put, it's about connecting everyday objects to the internet. But this qualification isn't just about using smart devices. It's about becoming the person who makes entire systems of them work together perfectly.
Okay, so that all sounds pretty cool, right? But the big question is, what kind of job can you actually get with this? Where does this path really lead? Let's take a look.
With this Level 3 qualification, you're looking at job titles like Systems Integrator or a Junior IoT Specialist. And trust me, these aren't just fancy names. These are absolutely crucial roles for any company that's building our connected future.
So how exactly do you get there? Well, the path to becoming an IoT pro is built on mastering three really essential skills. These are the core competencies that are going to define everything you do.
So here's the roadmap broken down into three key steps. First, you'll prepare the network plan. Then you'll oversee the whole system installation and configuration. And finally, you'll develop the system user manual. Think of these as the three pillars of your expertise. Let's really dig into what each one means.
First up, you become the architect. And that's the perfect word for it, because before a single cable is plugged in, before a single device is turned on, you are the one designing the master plan. You create the blueprint that decides how every sensor, camera, and smart appliance will communicate with each other effectively and securely.
All right, so once that blueprint is locked in, your role shifts. Now you become the leader. You're not just installing hardware, you are managing the entire process, making sure your architectural vision is built correctly and actually works exactly as you designed it.
And finally, once the system is live, your job still isn't over. You become the teacher. You translate all that complex tech into clear, simple user manuals so that anyone, and I mean anyone, can use the technology with confidence.
So you see, when you put it all together, you're the complete package. You're involved at every single stage, from that initial idea all the way to the final product in the user's hands. You are the expert who brings it all to life.
This qualification is so much more than a certificate. It's an entry point into one of the fastest-growing fields in technology. So, the final question is really for you to think about. Are you ready to be one of the people building our connected world?